In this world, millions of children are born, but only a few leave their mark. And today's story is about one of those rare few, a boy born in a simple town in Argentina whose destiny seemed to be shaped more by illness than fame, by weakness rather than strength. A boy who heard "you're too small" more often than he heard his own name. His name is Lionel Messi, the child whose height couldn't match his dreams, but whose heart soared beyond anything the world had imagined. His journey began not in grand stadiums, but with a bare foot and a small ball on the dusty streets of Rosario. What he saw was not what others saw. He saw possibility, a dream, a spark that even doctors couldn't dim. Today we'll take you on a journey of hope and struggle, of quiet battles and loud victories, from a rare medical condition to rare football greatness. This isn't just the story of an athlete. It's the story of a soul that refused to quit. And if, while watching this video, you feel inspired or touched by this story, don't forget to leave us a like. Not just for us, but for every dreamer out there who needs to hear stories like this one. Lionel Messi, a journey of dreams and determination. Lionel Andres Messi was born on June 24th, 1987, in the city of Rosario, Argentina. From the moment he could walk, Lionel showed an extraordinary love for football. At just 5 years old, he began playing for a local club coached by his father. Even as a small boy, people could see that Lionel had a magical touch. He could dribble past players twice his size and score amazing goals with ease. Life was not always easy for young Messi. At the age of 10, he was diagnosed with a rare growth hormone deficiency. Parents were devastated when they learned that Lionel would need expensive medical treatments to grow properly. Unfortunately, the cost was far beyond what his modest family could afford. Despite his health problems, Messi never lost his love for the game. Every evening he would practice for hours, running, dribbling, and shooting. Football was not just a sport for him. It was his passion and his escape. When Lionel was 13 years old, fate gave him a second chance. FC Barcelona, one of the biggest football clubs in the world, heard about this incredible young talent from Argentina. They invited Messi and his family to Spain for a trial. When Messi stepped onto the field, the coaches were amazed. It only took a few minutes for them to realize that he was something truly special. Barcelona offered Lionel a place in their youth academy and agreed to pay for his medical treatments. So, with hope in their hearts, the Messi family packed their bags and moved to a new country, leaving behind everything they knew. Life in Spain was challenging. Lionel missed his friends and family back in Argentina. He struggled with homesickness and the pressure of proving himself in a new environment. But he stayed focused. Day after day, he trained hard, perfecting his skills and growing stronger. At 17 years old, Messi made his first team debut for Barcelona. He was still small and shy, but the moment he touched the ball, he captured the hearts of fans everywhere. Over the next few years, Messi grew into a superstar. His dribbling, vision, and ability to score goals made him unstoppable. Messi broke records one after another. He became Barcelona's all-time top scorer, won multiple Ballon d'Or awards, and helped his team win numerous championships, including La Liga and the Champions League. His rivalry with Cristiano Ronaldo became legendary, pushing both players to greater heights. But beyond the trophies and fame, what made Messi truly remarkable was his humility. Despite his incredible success, he remained quiet, respectful, and dedicated to his craft. In 2021, after more than 20 years with Barcelona, Messi faced a heartbreaking moment when financial problems forced the club to let him go. he moved to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG in France, where he continued to shine and win titles. In 2022, Messi achieved his ultimate dream. He led Argentina to win the FIFA World Cup. It was a moment of pure magic. Millions around the world cried tears of joy with him, celebrating the journey of a boy who had once been told he was too small to succeed. Lionel Messi's story is not just about football. It is about dreams, hard work, sacrifice, and never giving up. It teaches us that even when life is hard and obstacles seem too big, with enough determination and heart, anything is possible. Today, Lionel Messi is known as the GOAT, the greatest of all time, and his legend will inspire generations to come. After everything he went through, the years of pain, hard work, and silent sacrifice, from moving across the ocean to sitting on the bench, from being doubted to being crowned the greatest, Lionel Messi became a symbol of perseverance and hope, not just in football, but in life. He showed us that pain doesn't destroy dreams, it shapes them. That greatness isn't about starting strong, it's about never giving up. Messi wasn't just chasing goals, he was chasing meaning. He was proving that anyone who believes in themselves can change their story. And if this story meant something to you, if it reminded you of the power of believing, hit the like button. Every like is a signal that these stories matter, that they inspire, and that you want more of them. Because somewhere out there, there's a future Messi, and all he needs is someone to believe in him.